Your sales and orders tell the story of your store. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the fastest way to read that story inside Shopify, and when it's worth extending with a reporting app for deeper insights. Here's the plan. We'll separate sales versus orders. Build 2 must-have reports in Shopify. Then cover scenarios where an app helps: finance exports, refunds, fulfillment, and staff. Sales reports work at the line item level. Great for products, discounts, returns, AOV, and channel comparisons. Order reports summarize activity at the order level. Fewer details, faster overview. Shopify's analytics refresh quickly, so reopen or refresh for the latest view. Key metrics in the sales and order report. Track how your average order value, AOV, changes over time. Identify which customers bring the most revenue. See which products contribute the most to sales. Measure which discounts drive higher sales. Spot products with high return rates. Compare the performance of POS versus online sales. Calculate COGS over time by product type. Analyze sales by custom properties or meta fields. Let's build Report 1, Sales over time. Go to Analytics, Reports, Sales over time. Set the date range, then group by day, week, or month. Toggle Compare to previous period to see trend context, and refresh to update. Report 2, Orders Overview and Export. Order reports are less editable, but your orders list can be exported. Go to Orders, Export, choose Current Page, All Orders or a date range, then CSV. Use this for broad order-level analysis or to combine with your accounting workflow. So when do you extend? When you need exports that don't exist by default, or you want to analyze refunds, fulfillment timing, and staff performance in one place. That's when a reporting app like Report Pundit earns its keep. Example A, Finance Summary as a report. In Shopify, Finance Summary is a dashboard view. In Report Pundit, open the Finance Summary template. Add or remove fields like fees and taxes. And schedule it to email or Google Sheets for your weekly finance pack. Example B, Consolidated Refunds. Shopify splits refunds and returns across views. In Report Pundit, you can pull a single refund report that distinguishes returns versus exchanges, so finance is not stitching data together. Example C, Sales by fulfillment with tracking. Most reports key off order date. Selecting additional metrics would cause the report to run on order date instead of fulfillment date. If you care about fulfillment date and want tracking number, carrier, and URL in the same grid, build order by fulfillment and add those tracking fields. Example D, Staff and product depth. Instead of 5 separate staff reports, consolidate one staff performance view. Likewise, sales by product with order history context and product meta fields is one click away. Finally, consolidation. Reporting apps like Report Pundit can unify Shopify with shipping, subscriptions, and ad platforms, so your weekly performance pack lives in one scheduled report, not 5 logins. Start with Shopify's sales over time and orders export. If you hit a ceiling, finance exports, refunds, fulfillment, staff, extend with a reporting app. Links and templates below.